So the screen is visible? The screen is visible. Okay. So, okay. So your hardware should be efficient to efficiently it should handle all the 100 programs. How many programs it may be running, whatever may be the program, everything should be handled efficiently. Somebody who has arrived first, some job may be very important, okay. Some job may be very, very long, okay. Some job may take only a very few seconds to complete it, okay. Then priority should be given to the shortest job. Likewise, okay, the operating system should have got a greater brain, okay, to understand what kind of a program, when it is arrived, everything about the hardware and the programs and whatever is been running on the system and how the user, whatever the users are given the program, okay, everything should be managed efficiently. Okay, so yeah, you have to handle everything neatly with respect to some rules and regulations, some manner, some way. It should not be random at all. Okay, so that is nothing but the efficient handling of your hardware. So these are the three goals of an operating system. And the same thing I have depicted in this figure. So this is nothing but goals of an operating system. The three goals. Okay, it should be easier for the user to programs. Okay, to use your computer system, and it should also be convenience, and the system should be efficient to handle all the programs. So easy, then what is that? Convenience. Third is efficient. These are the three goals of an operating system. Okay, is that clear? I hope it will be clear to you. Then we are moving to next topic, functions of operating system. So tell me, one of you, what are the goals of an operating system? You can also unmute and talk. Not necessary that every time you have to chat. No problem for me if you talk. What are the goals of an operating system? Convenient to use. Then anybody else? What is the next goal? Who's that?
Use
475. Yeah, tell me, ma.
computer hardware in an efficient manner.
Yeah, efficient manner, convenient to use. The third one.
And we can execute problems,
Uh,
making solving user programs easier.
Easier, exactly. Very good. Okay. So these are the three goals of an operating system. You can also call this objective. There is no objective, so-called for objective of an operating system is nothing but goals of an operating system only. Okay. So there is no separate objectives for an operating system. So objective goals means the 3 points you have to write. Next, we are moving on to functions of an operating system. Okay. The volume is less, or is that fine? How to increase my volume? Reducing the speed? Is anything you want as per your wish? I can change. Okay. So functions of an operating system. Okay. So what are the functions we are going to perform? This is with respect to the hardware. From the hardware point of view, okay, what are the functions that is being performed by an operating system? Okay, it is also been helpful for the user as well. Okay, mainly operating system, one of the operating system definition from the perspective of hardware is operating system will act as a manager. Yes or no? That is also one of the operating system definition. It will act as an what? Manager of your entire system, including user and the hardware. Okay, it manages everything. Okay, so from the it's mainly from the point of hardware. Okay, so from the point of hardware, your operating system is going to be a manager. Okay, so it should be a good resource manager means what it manages? It manages all the resources in and around the user and the hardware. Okay, especially hardware. Okay, around the hardware only we have many resources, right? So it is your main use of your operating system is your what resource manager. Okay, it is an big resource manager for the hardware. Okay, so resource manager is nothing but what are the resources it manages? It gives you the functions of operating system. Okay, so functions of operating system is nothing but what are the managing capabilities, okay, your operating system performs. Okay, if you just put all those managing activities, that's the function of an operating system. Okay, so what are the resources it manages? What are the resources around your system? You'll be having processor, CPU. Okay, the first resource may be your CPU. That's a main resource. It should be managed efficiently, obviously. Okay, by your operating system. Then you have your memory. Okay, then you have your I/O devices. Okay, apart from I/O devices, you can also have secondary storage. Apart from this primary, this is your primary storage, your main memory, maybe internal as well as external, and you have secondary, tertiary memories. Okay, those memories also should be managed efficiently. Whatever has been related to the system, everything should be managed. Okay, so the different resources are here, and also the security management. These are five or four. Okay, these five are okay, the basic basic functions of an operating system. If any operating system, the basic functions or the basic managing capabilities are these five are mandatory. Okay. Additionally, we have got so many capabilities you can add on top of it, but this should be the basic five managing capabilities. Okay. What are those? Processors, I/O devices, memory, and your secondary storage and security protection you have to give for the system, right? In terms of password. Okay. For any system, it should be protected. Okay. So for that, security for the system should be enhanced. What's the time? 1:50. Okay. So some of the another way of depicting the functions of operating system, I have portrayed the functions of operating system in another way. So what is that? Memory management, device management, processor management, security management, everything should be managed by the operating system. Okay, so if they are asking about functions on operating system, you have to write all these managements only. Okay, then error management also it should perform. Okay, then coordination between software and user. Okay, when user is giving some input, after 10 hours of time, if the system responds, what is the use of the system, right? So the coordination should be proper and job accounting. Anybody can guess what is job accounting? What is job accounting related to your system? Everyone knows, I hope. Memory means devices, input I/O devices, processor, CPU, security in terms of password. Error means if you're running some program or your system itself is in error condition. Okay, it has to be shut down badly. And what else? While you're operating these, suppose sometimes you're opening your Word or Excel. Sometimes some errors, due to some errors, it may not be opened immediately. Okay, you have to close that programs. Those kind of errors popping up of the error on the system is nothing but error detection that also should be performed by the OS. Okay, otherwise you'll be keep on using the system. There's no use, right? Then coordination, file management means there are several files. Okay, you are storing all your data in terms of a file, so everything should be managed, right? The file formats, whose file it is. Okay, so everything related to file, the management should be proper. It is also been established by your operating system. Okay, operating system only handles even the file management. What is job accounting? Anybody can guess? With that, I will go for attendance. Anybody says? In any idea or no? I will go for it.
It's like a system usage, ma'am.
System usage in terms of what? Everything is system usage only, no? Memory, IO, processor. If job accounting particularly, specifically, system usage of what? Exactly, it gives what? System usage is correct, but you have to complete that sentence. See, job accounting means in the system, whatever the operation you are performing, to have an account of everything. Okay, like when I have on the system, okay, who's owning the system? Is that admin is on the system or anybody else is on the system? Okay, so how many people are operating the system? Okay, and how long they have operating the system? Okay, on which date they have operated the system? This is known as job accounting. If you go to earlier days, if you've got a browsing center, then they'll be for every 1 hour, they'll be charging, okay, for browsing. Okay, so how they'll be charging the cost, how they'll be counting your 1 hour has been over, okay, how they'll be charging for every 1 hour, okay, which means the system should say that, should indicate that, okay, 1 hour has been the user completed 1 hour of time, okay, from the starting till now, okay. So this that the information is known as job accounting, okay. Who's exactly handles the operation, when they have handled, okay, what is the storage thing they have used, especially the date, time, and who. These three answers are nothing but job accounting. Is that clear? Who was operated, when is operated, what time operated, how long it's operated. That's your job accounting. Is that clear? Quick, quick. We need to go for attendance now. So again, the functions I have given only with this slide, all slide, okay? Because with this functions will be over. What memory management already you know, processor management, anything extra you can see. Device management, files management, secondary storage, security already we have seen. Controlled over system performance means the same efficiency. Job accounting, who does the job, how long it does the job. Error detection, coordination, what is network management? It seems new here. This is also been handled by operating system. What is network management? Please quick. It's getting time. With that, I'll stop. This topic has been over. What is network management? Any idea? You can guess or you can say no. Used to track. Who's that? Used to track. That is for, I think, previous question. For network management, any answers, please? Respond something positive or negative. That is yes or no. So that I can go ahead. Because I want your attention as well. Only 428, 479 are been in the class. What happened to others? Where are you? Who's the class representative in this class? I mean, I think this is all 4 sections. No? Okay. This is a process of administrating and managing computer networks. Yeah, from the name itself, you have framed the definition. I've asked network management. You are saying it manages computer networks. Again, what is network? You have got a thing, that has not been answered. So network management means, okay, he said managing computer networks. That's right. What is a computer network? If you want to connect multiple computers, okay, if you want to share your data from one computer to another computer in terms of a LAN connection, WAN connection, okay, so within your organization, within your room, and inside the lab, okay, and among one industry and from one industry to another industry, Okay, the data should be shared, right? Wired or wireless, many forms are there in managing the network of your system. That itself a big topic, okay? Network system, computer networking, as you say, okay? So to manage all this data sharing among different computers, okay, also should be facilitated by your operating system. Got it? This is the function of an operating system or managing capabilities of an operating system. Clear? If you acknowledge, I will go for attendance. Understood today's class? Where is attendance? Tell me the attendance. Still now, somebody, what is attendance? Mail is being given. Name list.
437, ma'am.
1 second, let me check out whether I am having a name list. Okay, so today what I do, it's time up now, so I will take the screenshot.
Ma'am, 438.
Wait, I'll take the screenshot, okay, for today, and tomorrow I'll take the attendance because it's already time.
Can we leave?
Oh, wait here. 1 second. Okay. 20. Pranit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Can you take the screenshot and send me to my WhatsApp?
Okay, ma'am. 2 minutes I'll take and I'll send you.
Students, sorry, today I have taken extra 5 minutes. I'll try to take the attendance in the middle from the next class onwards.
Ma'am, I took ma'am here.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Pa, I'll end the meeting, all of you. Thank you. You can leave.